Hello, traders, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Meta's stock, and see if the recent bull run is showing signs of slowing down or if it's ready to continue its climb. First, let's look at the news and events surrounding Meta. Recent reports indicate a significant increase in ad revenue for the company, driven by strong ad checks and growing contributions from categories like travel. This suggests a positive outlook for Meta's financial performance in the near future. However, there have also been some regulatory concerns, such as investigations into Meta's data collection practices. It remains to be seen how these regulatory hurdles will impact the company's future growth trajectory. Now, let's turn our attention to the one-day chart and see how the stock's performance aligns with the news we just discussed. Meta has been on a steady upward trend for the past several months, showing impressive growth since late 2022. This trend is likely fueled by the positive news regarding the company's financial performance. However, the recent price action suggests that the stock might be approaching a resistance level. We can clearly see that Meta has been struggling to break through the $600 mark in recent weeks. Looking back at the historical data, we can observe a notable support level around $550. The stock has bounced off this level multiple times in the past, indicating its importance. A break below this support level could signal a reversal in the bullish trend and a potential shift towards bearish territory. However, if Meta manages to break through the $600 resistance level, it could pave the way for further upside potential. The next key price level to watch for would be $650, which could act as another resistance level. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart and examine the recent price action in more detail. We'll narrow down our focus to the last few weeks to gain a better understanding of the stock's short-term movements. The 1-hour chart reveals that Meta has been consolidating in a tight range, hovering between $580 and $600. This consolidation pattern suggests that traders are still undecided about the stock's direction. This range-bound price action could indicate a period of indecision before the stock breaks out in one direction or the other. If Meta manages to break out of this range, it could signal a significant move in either direction. Traders should closely monitor the price action and watch for any signs of a break above $600 or a break below $580. A break above $600 would be bullish, while a break below $580 would be bearish. Finally, let's take a glimpse at the 15-minute chart to understand the very short-term movements of Meta. We'll focus on the last few trading days to gain a better understanding of the recent price fluctuations. The 15-minute chart shows a lot of volatility with rapid fluctuations in the price. This volatility indicates that traders are actively buying and selling the stock, likely driven by news and events that are influencing the market sentiment. It's important to note that the 15-minute chart is highly sensitive to news events and can create short-term trading opportunities. However, these opportunities can also be fleeting and risky. Traders should exercise caution when using the 15-minute chart for trading and rely on the longer-term charts for a more stable and comprehensive view of Meta's direction. A break above $600 on the 15-minute chart could be a short-term buying opportunity, but it's important to remember that this could be just a temporary spike. To sum it up, Meta's stock is currently in a state of flux, hovering between support and resistance levels. The recent news regarding the company's financial performance is positive, but regulatory concerns and market volatility are creating uncertainty. The $550 support level is crucial to watch for, as a break below this level could signal a bearish trend. Conversely, a break above the $600 resistance level would be bullish and could open the door for further upside potential. Traders should also pay attention to the $650 price level, which could act as another resistance level. In the short term, the 1-hour chart suggests that Meta could continue to consolidate within the range between $580 and $600. A break above $600 would be bullish, while a break below $580 would be bearish. In the very short term, the 15-minute chart shows a lot of volatility, offering potentially fleeting trading opportunities. Traders should approach these opportunities with caution and rely on the longer-term charts for a more stable perspective. It's important to stay informed about news and events that could impact Meta's stock price and adjust your trading strategies accordingly. Remember, this is just a technical analysis, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Always do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before making any trading decisions. We hope you found this in-depth analysis of Meta informative and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to Explain the Charts for more insightful stock analysis videos.